And let's begin with some breaking inputs coming in. Peddler Karamjeet has been nabbed by the NCB. That's the big breaking news we told you about. Souvik Miranda linked to peddler KG. This is Karamjeet that we are talking about, the drug peddler. And remember, there have been 7 peddlers who have been detained by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Early morning, multiple locations were raided by the agency. Let me open this up. Priyank Tripathi is joining us. Siddhant Mishra also with me. So is Muhammad Wajiullah. Priyank, tell us about this man. Of the 7 peddlers detained by the Narcotics Control Bureau, he is the most prominent name who's likely to give out more names.
Where is it?
See, Pradesh, what we know that there are several peddlers who work in the different portion of the Mumbai city, like these, Bollywood stars generally stay in Bandra and, Khar area. What we also know that the film stars, the TV serial stars are generally based in Andheri as well as the nearby areas. So there are several peddlers who have been operating at different level of these movie stars, and they are the ones who are responsible for supplying the drugs. And what we know about KJ, that KJ Karandeep was the one who was directly supplying the drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput flat, and there were several individuals who were staying in this particular flat. And what we have just got to know that one more peddler whose name is Costa has been arrested from Goa. So within the last 16 to 18 hours, the NCB has been carrying out series of searches in different portions of Maharashtra as well as in Goa, and continuing to that, they have
inputs coming in. Priyank and Vaji, NCB sources are telling Times Now that peddler Anuj Keshwani has named other peddlers of his area. Based on the information provided by him, NCB cracked down on Karanjeet. A big consignment of hash was also recovered from Powai. Now, Anuj used to buy drugs from peddler Inderjeet Jain. A manhunt has been launched against this man, Inderjeet Jain. Vaji.
Well, yes, Pranesh, there are a lot of names that are tumbling out, and with this raid that the NCB has done today at close to 7 locations, both in Mumbai and Goa, names like Anuj Keswani has come out. And we need to remind our viewers that Anuj Keswani is not the name that we're hearing it for the first time. We had already showed these links when we had done the entire expose of stings, that we had shown how the distribution is done in Andheri and in the areas of Bandra, and that is what the NCB has also trailed, and through that they've focused into this entire nexus. And today, as Priyank already mentioned, a lot of peddlers have been picked up. We also tried to go question those Bollywood names that have also come out in this entire case. And in the morning, we went to Rakul Preet's house, where she was clearly not there, and we've been trying to get in touch with her over the allegations that have been leveled against her. But she's decided to stay quiet about it and not respond to the media queries that have been going on. So this clearly gives you an indication that the Times Now investigation...
Right, just hold your thoughts.